We are down here hustling parking tickets. 2 people are gonna get towed right here. These guys right here.
2 more down below.
That's what the price of admission is if you don't have, I mean, it says really specifically right here. 40. 40. I can fill this up real quick. What's this world come down to when you're hustling for cars? I gotta get my hand signals down. I'm doing like, parade's right down that way. Yeah, straight, just go this way and then cut left and then go straight.
There was 2 guys sleeping in a pickup truck there. They're like, yeah, we got here at 6 o'clock this morning. I was like, what are you doing? They're like, oh, we were just taking a nap before the parade. We thought we found a sick parking spot. I was like, well, you can park here for $40. He was like, nah, I'll go find somewhere cheaper. I've like pulled in here in the morning or whatever, seen people parking and like trying to walk away. I'm like, hey, car's gonna get towed. And they're like, what? And I point to the sign, they go, oh.
Oh, that thing. It's the whole don't make eye contact thing, right?
Yeah.
Don't make eye contact if you're not interested. Hey, it's 40.
$40?
Yep.
You guys take card?
Cash or Venmo?
Okay. Oh man, yeah, I don't know that.
Okay.
All right.
That's all right. So what are we doing on parade day? We're gonna spend about an hour filling this parking lot up for 50 bucks, 40 bucks a spot, 60 bucks a spot. Right now we're at 40. We did this last year, made like 3,000 bucks in an hour, so good use of time. You wanna mark the cars, like if these people come in, like, I'd like to get them towed the f out of here.
Yeah, it's those 2.
Yeah, this guy's always parking here too.
I know, but I don't think they belong.
No, they don't. It's a tenant nearby.
Doing cash or Venmo? Cash, got it. All right.
It's 40 bucks.
We live right up here.
Okay.
We're part of the guest, us 2 are guests.
Well, this is my parking lot. It's private property, so.
Okay, is there another one?
I don't know. There might be that one over there. I have no idea. Cash or we got Venmo or PayPal or whatever. But yeah, come on in. We'll figure it out. So just keep your eye on this too, like just to see. So I would say like we should start pushing cars down there and trucks up here. You know what I mean? Okay. We'll have you park. What? We'll sell this thing out. Like everything will be gone. Over 1 million people will be in downtown Kansas City today. They'll be looking for parking and we'll be here. Listen, I always wanted to hustle for parking back in the day. And at 46 years old, it's a good side hustle on a Super Bowl. I just don't want this guy to fall off, dude. Don't fall off, dude. Don't fall off. Start putting the smaller vehicles down there, Danny.
Okay.
Let's pack this place in like sardines. 40. We got Venmo. You can just go down there. Go where that cone is, where that guy is. He'll take your Venmo. Huh?
Have a good day, fellas.
Hey, you guys have fun too. We'll see you down there.
Yes, sir.
Got to put the work in now, right?
Yes, sir.
Beer money.
Beer money. Got it, right. We'll see you Pirate Light. Drinks on you.
All right, man. Get your 40 back, right?
Yeah,
Have a good one, brother. No scooter parking. No, I'm just kidding.
Oh, yeah.
You guys know where you're going? Nope. That building, follow it to the left. There's a street, then go straight. You're gonna hit Grand. That's the parade right there. You remember how it was the last like half hour?
Yeah.
Last year?
It just.
That's what's gonna happen.
Yeah.
So I think like once we get, hopefully these tow trucks will come here. Did you call them?
I called them and they said they're super backed up and they don't know when they'll be here. So we might be out, you know.
God, we need to get a couple boots here.
40.
Yeah, 40. See if I don't know. I got change, I think. Go where that got, right to that, left of that Jeep or whatever that is.
Okay.
Yeah. Whoa. This car's gotta go. You can't park here.
I'm getting cash out to pay you.
Yeah, but you park here all the time. Okay.
I was told by my thing that I'm allowed to park.
No, I'm pretty sure you know you can't. So like, because this car's all, we're just gonna have it towed, just to let you know, okay?
I'll pay you right now.
I know, I know, but I'm saying we see this car here all the time. We haven't towed it, so.
Okay, if I give you money, are you gonna tow it?
No, but you gotta repark because you're like in 2 spots. You gotta straighten it out and pay. Okay, thanks. So this lady just got all mad at me because she parks at my spot all the time. And she's like, here's your money. It's like, she goes, my building told me I could park there. No, we know that's not true, but it's okay. You know what I mean? I was like, you're about ready to get towed.
She said who told her she could park
Her
there?
building, which we know is not the case. Like,
Oh, yeah.
oh, they said it's always, it's that guy. She was all mad that she had to pay. Listen, you've got monthly parking, you know, might be a bad thing. So what we need to do is just start monitoring it at night and just keep, because that's what happens is you're like, oh, I got away with it a couple times, I'll keep going.
And there's a beer in the back.
Oh, that's all yours, man.
No, that's what I'm saying. If you're thirsty.
I appreciate it.
Oh, they're about ready to leave.
That's
Knock this bitch off and roll out.
I like your spirit, man. Keep it rolling.
Always. I was like this when we were 2 and 14.
You were like that at 14.
I was like that at 4.
Guys, you know where you're going?
I think so.
Well, just go. Never follow people. Go straight, take a left, and then you cut right through there.
Yeah. We'll put you guys down below. You got that compact whip.
Hey, dude, I think we go 50 now.
Go 50 now?
Yeah, we're tight now.
Well, I got another sign down there that says 60 on it.
All right, let's do it.
You want to do 60?
Yeah,
I'll go get that sign.
yeah.
Should I erase the OBO? This we went to last year.
No, keep that. Keep that.
Keep it?
Yeah, that's great. This is something I hope we do every year. You know what I mean? I hope every year we're able to win the Super Bowl and then charge for parking. And I always, as a kid, wanted to sell parking. I don't know about you guys, whenever I saw that, I was like,
Yeah.
I want to sell parking.
Easy money.
It's not hard.
Yeah.
As long as you got the real estate, it's not hard, right? In Vegas, all they did was they took over, because there's no parking there. All these companies went and cut like master leases with all these properties downtown and just started renting out spaces like this. And they're charging $100.
Do a bunny hop.
So this is going on to the cars that parked here illegally and have been doing so. And then we learned another lesson is we're gonna boot cars from now on. So I ordered 5 boots. That's just for an issue that we're already dealing with. So we're gonna place these on, basically a big guilt trip that they should pay us money. We'll see if anybody actually does it. But how long did that take? About 30 seconds. We'll go place them down there and we'll show you the parking lot. I would say we probably did about $2,500 if I was to guess, because we had about 60 total spots, right? Four people that
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 unpaid.
8 unpaid minus 63.
Yeah.
So 55 times 40. Do we get ones for 60? We got 1 for 60.
We got 1, maybe 2 for 60.
2 for 60.
And then we got like 1 for 25.
What? All right, so we lost out at $120, but it's all good. Let's go check it out. I don't know what I'm more excited about, the parking or the parade. Definitely the parking.